Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account in Facebook Lite app. So you can see this is the Facebook Lite app. So you have to click here, three line top right corner on your screen. Simply click on that, and here you'll see it's your menu page. Okay, so scroll down a little bit, and then here you'll find the option settings. Simply click on settings. Once you click on settings, then you'll see here the first option, personal and account information. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then here you'll see the four option, but you have to choose the last one, access and control. Simply click on that. Then here you'll see two option. You have to choose the second one, deactivation and deletion. And also click second option, then here you'll see two options, deactivated your account or delete your account. So you can choose it's for delete video. So simply click the second option, delete account. And deleting your account is permanent. It means that your account will be deleted permanently. So simply click continue to account deletion. Then here we'll see all of your page, group and other things. Then continue, and then I spent too much. Why you're going to delete? If you choose, or you can continue to account deletion, and you'll see like deactivated showed you. You can, before delete, you can deactivate it your Facebook or anything, or simply click on delete account. Okay, once you click delete account, then your account will be deleted. But if you want log in your account before 30 days, then your account will be deleted permanently after 30 days. Okay, so this time I'm not going to delete my account, so you can delete your account through this way. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.